all, welcome to PSR Brothers. This is Nitya here. In today's episode, we are going to see some lovely, beautiful Chettinad collections. Jari checks pattern. Lots of people were asking for Jari check sarees. So this time we have come up with really different combinations. Around 20-25 colors you are going to see in today's episode. Very pretty combinations, and you are going to see some nice thread border patterns also. And for all these sarees, there is no blouse. The saree length is just 5.5 meters. Before seeing the sarees, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get regular notifications. To purchase the saree, take a screenshot and send us to the number 938485129. I repeat, it's 938485129. Come on, let's start seeing the sarees now. This is a lovely Jari checks Chettinad cotton saree, a beautiful pattern. Lots of you were asking for this set of colors. This time we have come up with very beautiful different combinations. This is a black with a beautiful blue, a ramar blue combination, and the checks is going to be in silver and gold mix in this pattern. A very pretty combo. Throughout the body we have Jari checks running along the saree, and the pallu of the saree is a simple line pallu. And these sarees do not carry a blouse, and the price of the saree is 740. We have some lovely combinations in this pattern. We'll show you the next colors. The first one was a black with a blue. The next is going to be a beautiful MS blue with lovely mustard combination. A very pretty combo, lovely design, Jari checks throughout the body, and this is the contrast mustard color border. The next is going to be yellow with a beautiful pink. It's a tomato pink shade. Very different combination. They're very lovely combinations. You can stitch actually long gowns in these kind of patterns. Look really nice. Very pretty combinations. Lovely color. Yellow with a pink. The next is going to be a mehendi green with a rust combination. A beautiful color combo again. Very ideal color combinations for yellows. These colors will be very good for them. Nice combination. The next is going to be a pink with mustard, a Rani pink with mustard. Very pretty combination, lovely color. Looks really grand and really rich also. Nice pink with the mustard combination. The next is going to be a navy blue with red combination, or more of a red and a maroon shade, that kind of a color combination. All Jari checks, navy blue with the maroon combination. A beautiful color combo, and the price of the saree is 740. The next is a beautiful maroon with a lovely ramar blue combination. A very lovely and a very beautiful combination. All these combinations are very traditional combinations, but look really nice. A very nice combo, and the price of the saree is 740. The next is going to be green with maroon, a dark green with a maroon. This is more of a military green, that kind of a green. Very pretty combination, nice color combo. The next is going to be yellow with maroon. A very traditional combination as always. Lovely yellow with a maroon combination. The maroon is slightly a light maroon. The next is going to be a beautiful color combo. A dark brown. A nice dark brown with a mustard combination. Lovely color combo. Beautiful. This looks very pretty combination. A dark brown with a mustard. The next is a rust with a green. A lovely rust with a lovely green. A beautiful color combination, rust with a green combination, same Jari checks pattern. A very pretty combo. These Jari checks comes throughout the saree. The next is going to be a light fluorescent green. It's very light, it's not bright. In that we have a beautiful ramar blue color combination. These combinations look really unique and very different in these kind of cotton sarees. A lovely combination, and the price of the saree is 740. This is a beautiful navy blue with a dark mustard combination. These color combinations look really very pretty. Nice color combinations. The price of the saree is 740. The next is going to be a maroon with a very lovely different combination. A maroon with a violet border. Very different combo. Very earthly combinations. Look really nice. The next is going to be a double shade of green and more of a green and yellow mix of a shade, light chambangi color, something like that. In that a beautiful pink color border, lovely combinations, and the price of the saree is 740. The next combo is going to be very pretty combination, a lovely beautiful purple color with pink combination, very pretty combo. You'll get these in pattu sarees, and that combos have come in cotton sarees, lovely combination, and the price of the saree is 740. The next is going to be dark brown with green combination, a lovely color combo again, a beautiful dark brown with a green combination, and the price of the saree is 740. This is a very different combo, a light green and a brown mixed shade, very different combo. In that a beautiful ramar blue color border, a lovely combination, a very different combo, and the price of the saree is 740. This is again a light mustard, in that mustardish yellow shade, in that a very pretty pink combination, a tomato pink, very lovely combination. The price of the saree is 740. The next is going to be a dark purple, in that a mustard shade, a nice dark purple, and this is a silver jari again, very pretty combo, and the price of the saree is 740. The last color of the lot, a lovely combo, a lovely baby pink, in that a dark purple, a very pretty combination, and the price of the saree is 740. It's again a beautiful sammangi color chettinad cotton saree, very lovely combination, a thread border pattern again. If you see the border, it's a manga pate along with a lovely floral pattern design. Both the sides the same length of the border, and throughout the body we have buttas running along the saree, and it has a simple line pallu, and it does not carry a blouse. It's just 5.5 meters, and the price of the saree is 880. We have some lovely color combinations in this. I'll show you the other color combination. The next is going to be a beautiful orange with a green and a blue combination in the border, a lovely pattern. This is the body of the saree, a lovely color combo, beautiful color combination, and the pallu of the saree is going to be simple line pallu. So I'm just going to show you all the color combinations in the same pattern. This is an orange with a blue combo. The next is a beautiful lovely gray with a pink and a black combination, beautiful combination. This is the body of the saree, a lovely one, and the pallu is a simple line pallu. This is the body of the saree. The next is going to be a tomato pink with a blue combo and a green combo, a lovely design again. This is the body of the saree, a nice pattern, and the pallu is simple line pallu. The next is going to be a darker pink. This is the beautiful combination. This is the pink with the blue combination, a lovely pattern and a beautiful color, and you have lovely buttas running along the saree, which make the saree look rich and grand, and the price of the saree is 880. We have one more beautiful combination of this, a lovely pattern, a beautiful mango yellow with a green and pink combination, and we have buttas running along the saree, very pretty combo, and the pallu of the saree is a simple line pallu, and these do not have blouses, and the price of the saree is 880. Thanks for watching the video. I'm sure you'd have liked the lovely color combinations of Chettinad sarees. To purchase these sarees, take a screenshot and send us to the number 938485129. I repeat, it's 938485129. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.